Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Some places impresses you because of the beauty. Others leave a lasting impression because of the story they hold. Today, we are visiting one of the most meaningful landmarks of Germany's Baltic coast, the Naval Memorial in Laboe. Standing proudly above the sea, this remarkable monument has welcomed visitors for generations. From a distance, it looks like a giant sail reaching towards the sky, reminding everyone of the deep connection between the people and the sea. Let's explore this incredible place together.
Guten Abend, gute Nacht, von Englein bewacht, die zeigen im Traum der Christkindleins Baum. Schlaf nun selig und süß, schau im
As we walk
Traum
closer, the size of the memorial becomes even more impressive. The sound of the waves, the fresh Baltic breeze, and the peaceful surroundings create an atmosphere that feels both calm and reflective. Although many visitors come for the incredible views, this place is much more than a viewpoint. It is a memorial dedicated to those who lost their lives at sea and today stands as a symbol of remembrance and peace. Every stone here carries a story, encouraging visitors to pause and reflect. Looking up, the tower seems to stretch endlessly into the sky. Inside, the architecture is simple yet powerful, allowing visitors to focus on the meaning of the memorial rather than decoration. We make our way higher. Anticipation builds. What kind of view awaits us at the top? And then we arrive. From here, the Baltic Sea unfolds in every direction. Ships glide across the Kiel Fjord, sailboats drift with the wind, and on a clear day, the horizon seems endless. It's easy to understand why so many people say this is one of the best viewpoints in northern Germany. Standing here, surrounded by the sea and sky, and the world suddenly feels much bigger and much quieter. Just below the memorial is the historic submarine U-995, giving visitors another glimpse into maritime history. Together, the Memorial and Submarine Museum makes this one of the most visited attractions in Laboe. But if the history isn't your main interest, the peaceful settings, sea views, and fresh Baltic Sea makes this a memorable stop. Travel is often about discovering new places, but sometimes it's about discovering new perspectives. The Naval Memorial in Laboe isn't simply a monument, it's a place where history, remembrance, and the beauty of nature come together. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed exploring this remarkable landmark with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring the world, one story at a time.